Ladies and gents, boys and girls, I really like this Gen 4 style map sensor. And there is a very cost-effective $18 to $22-ish Gen 4 map sensor, not this one. This is a stock LS3. There's a 3.5 bar and it reads 38 PSI and it's $18 to $22-ish. Amazon has them. They are a real GM Delphi part, etc. Bosch. They work fantastic. They read 38 pounds, 3.5 bar, LT4. They're going to drop down in the Terminator software. But there's no good way to really attach this unless you have one of those intake manifolds. And most people that are doing turbo and whatnot don't really have, one of those intakes to put this, etc. Blah, blah, blah. Or you bolt it in and it's under your intake or behind it and you have no idea how you're going to swap it out. Anywho, I would glue stuff to this or do other random things. So I was like, wouldn't it be cool if I just made a thing? So I made a thing. I designed this and 3D printed it. I'm a caveman, but I built this out of necessity for myself. So there is a little chamfered slide in for the O-ring. Fits very nice and snuggy. And then, just to make sure you don't throw it out, there is the stock M6 style bolt down. Let's show you guys how this bolts down. Very secure. This is made out of ASA, which is very similar to like an ABS plastic. They're very hard. They are heat resistant, everything else. So this will only melt in your engine bay if it's somewhere it should not be, because it is stronger and more heat resistant than most of the plastic in the engine bay. And they're at 50% infill. So they are extremely tough. The neat thing is you can adapt this. This helps you adapt the weird map sensor to 1/8 inch. And you can use this as a barb then to go on a vacuum hose. You can put a push lock connector on this. For fun here, I have an old analog pressure gauge. You can thread that in. I'm threading it sideways. Yeah, it's hard to work with a camera in front of your face. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Again, I'm thinking about selling these. I don't know what to sell them for. I got to figure out what they cost me to produce. I guess let me know if you guys are interested in the comments and whatnot. I think I'll put 5 on the store and see what you guys think of that. Again, nice with the barb in there. Thread it, put my head sideways, probably get stuff out of frame. Anyway, yeah, nice and crooked. Good job. But yeah, you get the idea. Pretty neat, right? Maybe.